There may be times when you simply want to load using standard weights. When using curtailments, this is the only option. Setting standard weights is done under Preferences by entering the standard flight crew weight and the standard weight for passengers. Pressing the appropriate occupants button enters the preset standard weight. As an option, your aircraft can be set up to use individualized standard weights. This allows you to enter not only average passenger weight, but weight based on gender and age. Like the previous example, pressing an applicable occupant button enters the average passenger weight. But by pressing and holding the occupant button, the menu comes up and you can select the individualized weights. Lastly, you may have the option to enter standard baggage weight. Simply enter the number of bags on board, and the weight will increase by the preset weight multiplied by the quantity of bags on board.